there is an oxygen emergency that our country is facing. And if we do not act immediately and act in a way that we have not so far, we could lose many more lives to COVID. Tonight, ground reports from across the nation suggest there is a need for a mammoth joint initiative. Let's accept it. There has been an inescapable failure so far. So we need solutions and we need cooperation. And that is why tonight I want to talk about the oxygen crisis. Understand it and then talk about how we can end it. Let's take a look at this report and then tonight we debate.
सभी पेशेंट्स के रिश्तेदार ध्यान से सुन लें कि हॉस्पिटल के अंदर सिर्फ आधे घंटे की ऑक्सीजन और बची है। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस टाइम में अपने पेशेंट्स को दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट करने का प्रबंध करें या फिर ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर अगर आपके पास है तो अपने पेशेंट के पास लाकर रख दें।
Hospitals are being forced to make these distress calls.
सभी पेशेंट्स के रिश्तेदार ध्यान से सुन लें कि हॉस्पिटल के अंदर सिर्फ आधे घंटे की ऑक्सीजन और बची है। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस टाइम में अपने पेशेंट्स को दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट करने का प्रबंध करें या फिर ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर अगर आपके पास है तो अपने पेशेंट के पास लाकर रख दें।
Doctors are breaking down.
You see, we as a doctor, we as a hospital, we are supposed to give life. If we cannot give them oxygen even, what is the situation? When patient comes to the patient will die. Patient will die.
Private hospitals are asking patients to shift out.
सबको हमने नोटिस देकर बोला कि we are short of oxygen. A major vendor is backing out. So अभी we don't know मतलब from where with all this oxygen will come from.
Top hospitals are tweeting about the crisis and the blockade in the supply chain.
Amid huge number of coronavirus cases being reported in the national capital, the chief of COVID-19 task force at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, has come forward and urged all other departments at AIIMS to come forward and participate in this fight against coronavirus.
When the medical fraternity puts out appeal after appeal, nobody can deny there's an oxygen crisis across India. And it is the common man who's suffering. Families of patients are running from pillar to post.
मेरा पेशेंट 3 दिन से है जो बड़ी परेशानी में है लेकिन सुन के राजी नहीं है।
From Delhi,
every day they say that they give us hope that the medicine will come by the evening. We are staying here without food. There is no social distancing whatsoever we can follow here because you can see what the condition is here.
to Lucknow.
मेरा पेशेंट 3 दिन से एडमिट है। कंट्रोल रूम पे मैंने 3 दिन पहले से इलाज कराया हुआ है और नहीं कोई जवाब मिलता है। फिर जब हमने प्राइवेट कहीं से गैस की उसका मास्क लगवाया तो अब हम पूरी जगह मुरारी गैस कल हम गए 3 घंटे वहाँ खड़े रहे, उन्होंने सिंगल सिलेंडर नहीं देंगे।
To Mumbai.
As we see, there's been a constant increase in the demand for oxygen all across the country. In Maharashtra as well, which is the worst affected because of COVID, we've seen that there have been more than 500 deaths in a single day.
To Hyderabad.
अभी मैडम अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है। अभी रिप्लाई अपने सो देंगे बोले, मगर कि अभी तो ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो गया बोले उन लोग। तो इसके वजह से हम लोग ज़रा वेट कर रहे हैं सो यहाँ पे।
And this video from Damo in Madhya Pradesh shows the helplessness of the citizens and their anger against the political class.
कहाँ मिलना है कोई नहीं बताता। भाग रही है और रात के बोल दिया 36 घंटा हो गया है। 1 मिनट अगर सिलेंडर मिलेगा लेकिन सिलेंडर नहीं मिला। हम बोलेंगे
जैसा बोलेगा तो 2 खाएगा।
हम खाएंगे भी। हमारी माता राम तो वैसे ही खाने को पड़ी है। बताओ क्या करना।
तो सीख रखो।
नहीं
कोई मना कर रहा है तुमको?
मना किया है सर। 5 मिनट दिला सर, 5 मिनट दिला सर सिलेंडर। बोलो 36 घंटे से परेशान 5 मिनट सिलेंडर दिला या तो फिर मना कर देंगे।
The situation is grave. Medical infrastructure is burdened. Prime Minister has stepped in. He has chaired a high-level meeting and will continue to drive efforts in a bid to ensure that oxygen reaches every person who needs it. Even the courts have taken cognizance of the unprecedented crisis that has hit the country.
3-page order has now come out from the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has said by tomorrow, when the hearing is going to take place, the court will also have to be putting before them a national plan for dealing with the above services and supplies during pandemic.
But in this battle, every second counts. A delay by even a minute could cost a precious life. And only a national and uniform plan will help in this COVID war. Let's debate.